It's been 4 months and 19 days on the platform. Yes, I uploaded my first video on the 29th of August 2022, and right then, the incredible journey of YouTube started. There have been some depressing moments with almost no views, as well as some significant moments of encouragement. Yes, obstacles are many, but guess what? I just got 500 subscribers. I'm happy, and I would like to appreciate my viewers, but I'm not Mr. Beast. Of course I'm not there yet, but at least I have made the effort to appreciate you. 2 lifetime licenses. Of course they are not Filmora licenses, but trust me, this is one of the best online video editors I have seen out there. Even if you use other video editors like Filmora and you become the winner, these licenses will still be helpful to you. I will explain why I'm saying this. And maybe to your surprise, one of the licenses I'm giving away is worth almost $100. Let me just thank you a little more before analyzing your benefit. I know that creating a video for reaching 500 subs may seem unnecessary to some, but to me, it's one of my proudest milestones. Nothing was ever easy. From writing a script, making voiceovers and editing a video, I could only keep creating because of your encouragement. From low CTR to better, from low retention up to the time of getting spikes and top moments. Honestly, your positive comments were important to me, and they will ever be. So the licenses I'm giving away are for FlexClip, an online video editor. If you go to the pricing page of this software, you will discover that a basic plan that is valid for 1 year costs $50.31. A plus plan that is also valid for 1 year costs nearly $84, and the business plan for the same period costs $167. So right here on my giveaways, I have a basic plan as well as a plus plan, and both are for a lifetime. And that is to say, whatever the updates they make, you will be able to upgrade. Averagely, this is a good decent video editor, which has a big advantage of many assets that goes with the license. Besides having different video templates, you will get access to stock videos, and they are for almost every project, which you would have paid a lot of money for. So this is exactly the reason I said this license will remain useful despite the fact that you already have other software you are using. One more important thing on that, you know how serious the issue of copyright claims is when it comes to music. This license is setting you free from that. You will have access to all kinds of music and SFX and won't have to go for any other sound subscription. Well, my next video is going to be a live one where I will be making a draw to get 2 people to be the winners of these benefits, and the chance is on everyone who has ever commented on my channel. So if you are interested, you may stand even a better chance by commenting on this very video. Thanks for watching.